Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today, we are explore how to create a business email marketing visual using RGB in Photoshop. Email visuals must load fast and look consistent. RGB optimization ensures accurate colors across devices. Text contrast improves readability. Call to action elements stand out naturally. Business branding stays aligned. RGB balance avoids oversaturation. The design feels clean and engaging. This improves open rate appeal. The final email visual communicates value quickly and professionally. Thank you for watching. Keep practicing and let your creativity speak louder every day.